Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode of Gaming Basics. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add a location in Mobile Legends. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you've not yet. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. If you want to add your location in Mobile Legends application, then here's how you can do it. First, make sure that you've launched Open Mobile Legends on your mobile device and also make sure that you are logged into your account. From the main homepage, tap on the profile avatar or the icon at the top left. Now, right under your profile picture, you'll be able to see a location icon with no data written in it. Tap on it and follow the instructions shown in the pop-up. Go and open up settings on your iOS device and scroll down until you find Mobile Legends in the settings tab. Tap on it and tap on location option. Now select either ask next time or when I share or while using the app option. Get back to the Mobile Legends game and tap on the location icon one more time. In the pop-up, tap on either allow once or allow while using app and you'll be able to see that your location has been found. Tap on OK in order to locate yourself or add your location in Mobile Legends. That is how you can add a location on Mobile Legends. Quick and easy. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thanks for watching.